For us, one thing is clear. How mankind deals with packaging and recyclable materials must change significantly in the future. Away from the consumption of resources and towards a closed recycling economy. We are firmly convinced that packaging plastics can have an environmentally compatible future. Why? Because we already have technologies that make the sustainable use of these materials easy and profitable. Our environmentally friendly packaging solutions win design and sustainability awards. Tough Sood, as an independent expert, confirms that our production machines demonstrably contribute to energy and media savings. And our recycling systems close the loop by giving new life to used, disposable packaging made of PET and polyolefins after their use.